Hello, dear students. I am Dr. Mahesh Naikes. In this video class, we are going to discuss how to write letters to newspaper editors. And this format is based on the format or content given in the workbook Practicing Writing Skills. The students, in the last class, when we discussed this one unit of this book, practicing business, sorry, practicing writing skills. Okay, practicing writing skills. We discussed about report writing. Okay, report writing. So there we saw how to begin a report, what are the kinds of reports, and what aspects we have to keep in mind while writing a report. And of course, we also analyzed one general report. Okay, one general report we analyzed. Fine. So that is coming back to this video class. Okay. So on letters to newspaper editors, it has two objectives, dear students. The first one is to make the students understand the essentials of letters to newspaper editors. Okay, the essentials are the format of a letter to newspaper editors. You will come to know after this class. The second objective is to enhance their knowledge. Of course, you have some knowledge regarding letter writing. So this class enhances your knowledge to write a good letter to newspaper editors. It enhances your knowledge in this in this regard. Okay, let us have some introductory remarks, introductory information regarding letters to newspaper editors. Right, readers and concerned citizens send in letters concerning their views and opinions on various matters of general concern. So that means people, okay, or readers or citizens, they write letters and send to the newspaper editors to publish their letters. Okay, in that letter, they express their opinions or views regarding something which is of general concern. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ವಿಚಾರ. Okay, this is not a personal concern. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗತ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ವಿಷಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಲೆಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಎಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬರೆದು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. So these letters, okay, these letters help in bringing light current topics, social problems, national and international issues, and so on. So why do we have to write these letters? Why do people write these letters? Okay, whoever okay writes, why do they write? Because okay, writing such letters, it helps to bring to light, okay, ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ತರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ, some problems, some issues like current topics, social problems, national, international issues, even local issues, ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. Okay, so these letters help to bring to light these problems. Okay. Such letters, okay, written to newspaper editors, help the government or the concerned authorities, ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಇಲಾಖೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತರುತ್ತೆ, to learn about problems faced by citizens. Okay, the government or the concerned departments, they come to know about the problems the people, okay, are facing, and okay, to take necessary steps to solve these problems. Okay, so these letters help those people in power. Right, so a letter, such a letter, okay, so the letter you write to a newspaper editor, how it should be, a letter should focus on a single problem. Look at this. One letter focus on one problem. One literally one problem ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay. Any attempts already undertaken to solve the problem should also be mentioned. Okay, if there are any attempts to solve the problem, you have to mention that aspect also in that letter. ಏನಾದರೂ ಆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರೋ ಆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಹ you have to mention in that letter. Solutions for the problem may be suggested if you know. Okay, if you know some solutions or suggestions to solve the problem, you can mention in the letter, and help and cooperation may be offered. The language of the letter, okay, it should be simple and the tone should be polite. you should not be impolite while writing a letter. ತುಂಬಾ impolite words ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸಬಾರದು. Polite words ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ simple language ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have to write. Language should be simple. The tone should be polite. Right now, let us look at the model letter, the format of the letter, the content of the letter. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯುವುದು, format ಹೇಗಿದೆ, right? So, my dear students, you are very well familiar with this format. Even the format ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ familiar ಆಗಿದೆ. So this is, you guessed, okay, this is from address. So from address, left side, okay, top corner ಅಲ್ಲಿ from address ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It begins with the name, then other details, number 17, MS building, CG layout, Hiriyur. From smaller details to the bigger ones. No punctuation. So here punctuation has come because it is full stop, okay, initial ಬಂದಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ full stop ಇದೆ. Otherwise, no punctuation. After from address, space, then date, okay, then space, then to address. No punctuation at the end. The editor, the Deccan Herald, newspaper name, Bengaluru, this pin code, right? Good. After that, dear sir, comma. Okay, but there should be a gap or space between the to address and dear sir. Okay, dear sir ಮತ್ತೆ to address ನಡುವೆ ಒಂದು space ಇರಬೇಕು. Dear sir, punctuation is comma. Then subject. Okay, what is this letter about? Subject. Insufficient street lighting in CG layout. This letter is about insufficient street lighting in CG layout. Okay, right. So the content, body of the letter we say. Right. So the writer, okay, will ಬರೀತಿರೋರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, I am a resident of CG layout, a busy resident area in Hiriyur. Okay. So Hiriyur town in a busy resident area ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ CG layout ನ ನಿವಾಸಿ ನಾನು. The absence of street lights in this layout requires immediate attention. So here there are, okay, there is absence, there are no lights almost, okay, there are almost no lights or absence of street lights. Okay, it should be given immediate attention. ಈ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ ನ ಆಬ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗನೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದರ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು. Some streets, this is the big layout, this is the layout, it has many streets. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಲೇಔಟ್, ಹಲವಾರು ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. So in among those streets, some streets do not have any lights at all. Of course, some streets have some lights. ಕೆಲವು ಬೀದಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಬೀದಿ ದೀಪ ಇದಾವೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವು ಬೀದಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೀಪಗಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೀದಿ ದೀಪಗಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. The few existing street lights in this locality are inadequate and many do not function properly. Okay, in the streets where there are street lights, street lamps, okay, so ಕೆಲವು ಬೀದಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಇದಾವೆ, but they are not working properly. Okay, so they are inadequate, the number is not enough, they are not working properly. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಹಾಳಾಗೋಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಲ್ಬ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, many problems. Most of the streets of this layout remain in darkness after dusk. After dusk, okay, because of the absence of street lights, most of the streets in this layout, they remain in darkness. ಸಂಜೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ, ಕತ್ಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಬೀದಿಗಳು ಕತ್ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳುಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. That is one paragraph. Next paragraph. Accidents have become common after sunset. Look at this. The problems because of absence of street lights. Problems ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನೇನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ street lights ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. There has always been an increase in the number of thefts in the last 2 months. Look at this. In the last 2 months, the number of thefts are increased. ಕಳ್ತನದ ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಳೆದ 2 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ. So here in this paragraph, they are writing about the problems they are facing because of the street light absence. Residents, particularly women, are afraid of coming out of their houses after 7 p.m. Look at this. Women are afraid after 7 p.m. because chain snatchers are also there. Saragalru kuda idare. Aa problem ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ you can write. If this continues, life will become miserable for the resident of CG layout. Okay, if this situation continues longer or further, definitely life for them will become miserable. Our jivana kashta means namma jivana, namma layout na vyaktigal jivana, nivasigal jivana. Right, our complaints, next paragraph, our complaints to the city municipality have been futile so far. Yes, they have written about this problem to the city municipality. Nagara Sabhege ಇವರು ಈ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But they are futile, waste. No action has been taken so far. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ. That is why they are writing to the editor. I, on behalf of all the residents of CG layout residents ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು would like to draw the attention of higher authorities because the city municipal authorities have failed to take any action. City municipality ಅವರು ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ higher authorities ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ through this letter, okay, published in the newspaper. Draw the attention of higher authorities to this problem and hope that they will help us to solve this problem. Okay, so this is the content of the letter. That means, okay, so you have introduced yourself, you have told about what actually there is problem. Okay, yen samasya ide street light na heltidira in the first paragraph. Second paragraph, what are the problems related to the first problem? Okay, the street lights samasya inda ಬೇರೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, accidents, thefts, and of course in the third paragraph you have concluded by telling them to help to solve this problem. Okay, so after that a space, thank you, full stop here, space, yours faithfully, comma, no apostrophe here, apostrophe idbardilli, yes hatra r admele, okay, comma, space, signature, in bracket, name. So this person has written the letter. ಈ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಲೆಟರ್ ನ ಬರೆದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು on behalf of the residents of CG layout. Okay, dear students, so this is the content and format of a letter to newspaper editor. Okay, fine. So let us have a look at the learning outcomes of this class. After this class, the students have understood the essentials of letters to newspaper editors. Okay, what should be there, the format and the content. Now you know very well how to write. And now you are able to write a good letter to newspaper editors. Now you have got the ability to write a good letter to newspaper editor regarding some problem. Find multiple choice question. One, let us see at the first question. A letter to a newspaper editor should focus on dash. A, more than one problem. B, single problem. C, any number of problems. D, personal problem. Yes. Good. You are right, dear students. Answer is B, single problem. Okay, should focus on a single problem. One letter, one problem. Question number 2. Choose the correct order. Yeah, A, from address, to address, date, then dear sir. B, from address first, then date, then to, then dear sir. C, to address, from address, dear sir, then date. D, from address, dear sir, to address, then date. So which is the correct order to write the format of a letter, especially letter to newspaper editor? Good, dear students, you are right, you are very familiar with this order. B, first from address, then space, date, then space, to address, then space, dear sir. Okay, fine. Question number 3. Which punctuation mark is used after yours faithfully? Yes. A, full stop. B, comma. C, colon. D, semicolon. Yeah, which one you use after writing yours faithfully? Yes, dear students, you are perfectly right. Answer is B, comma. Okay, good. Question number 4. Which of the following is correct? Yes, you observe the spellings, dear students, and punctuations, of course. Which of the following is correct? Spellings and punctuations. Okay, fine. Now check your answer. Right. Okay, so C, yours faithfully. C is the correct expression. Question number 5. To address should come after from address, before from address, after dear sir, after date. Yes, when should to address come? Yes, remember the format. Good. Here D. Yes, after date. To address comes after date. Okay, dear students. So let me stop the multiple choice questions here. Now, this book, Practicing Writing Skills, okay, has been referred to prepare this class. And thank you for listening and watching to this class, dear students. Okay, so before concluding the class, let me wish you have a healthy life. Healthy life, yes. So these days, it's very, very important to have a healthy life. Okay, dear students. Now, let me close the class.